tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy this Rashid warrior. Today I will show you a tutorial how to make 3-in-1 video using Enlight Videoleap, which is really easy. We have work to do guys, so enough talking for today. So let's start the video. This application is called Enlight Videoleap, which is actually really easy to use, and this is the one I use to edit my YouTube videos. So let me show you how to make, and it will be really fast and really easy. So first we have to select the videos. I have the 3 videos here. Make sure that every video is muted. First the sound. Every video you have to do the same steps. And then the second step, you have to select, then drag it on the first layer, which means the top layer in every video. Then also the second video, bring it at the top layer. The third video also same. And then what you have to do is select the first video. This video is sitting. Actually guys, I forgot, this guy is my friend Ibrahim. Make sure you follow his Instagram and his Snapchat. He's a model, he's our model. Second step guys, go to go to mask, then select linear, and then you have to drag it until here, and then select the next video, go to mask, select linear. Same step in every video, same step in every video. Then select the third video, go to mask, and then select mirror. This one is a little bit different. You have to select mirror, and that's it. Now we finish the most important things. Third step, we have to select one of the videos and bring it on the same layer, which means every video must start at the same time. So I have to drag it all the way to the beginning. So that's it. Now there is one more thing. At the end, you see some of the videos, one of them is finishing before the others, like some of the videos just like this. So you can make one thing, select, then bring it here, let it finish at the same time, select the other video, bring it here. That's it. So every video, I mean the whole 3 videos must finish at the same time. So that's it. Now I want to add some music. This application is really easy. So go, for example, you can go to YouTube, then if you have iPhone, you can go to YouTube, then just record the song. Or if you have the song on your phone, just you can press audio. When you press audio, you can find it here. For example, I have some songs here on my phone. You can find it there. If you don't have, easily you can do just like this one. On this application, you can do one thing. You can unlink the video and music. For example, I recorded this on my Chinese application. Then I can go to audio, then unlink. Now I have the song alone. I also have the video alone, so now I don't need the video. So I can do one thing, I can just select the song, and that's it. I have the song, and until the point the song. So this is what I need. I don't need the sound, the music until here. I only need only 25 seconds. So but in the end, it doesn't even matter. What get too far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. That's it. So you can add filter, and now it looks like cinematic somehow real, although it's real. So that's it. Export 25 frames. So we are done. When you want to make video like this, you have to go out somewhere, take your tripod, your camera, or your iPhone, or whatever you have, whether it's camera or your mobile. You can just take it, but just make sure that the camera or the phone is stable. You have to put it somewhere. The easiest thing, you can use tripod. Then when you use the tripod, it will be stable, like it will not shake, so that later when I am making the video, there will be no shaking. Now you can see the video, it's smooth. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. I will upload more and more tutorials just like this using this application. It's really easy, and the next video will be this one. Check it.
Better call Saul.
So guys, thank you. Bye bye.